What is going on, you guys? We have a very special episode. We're going to be reuniting with one of my first riding buddies. Alright guys, it is actually a pretty special day for a couple reasons. First reason is I have a new mic in my helmet, so hopefully you guys can hear me loud and clear. And again, we are meeting up with my buddy Nick. Hi buddy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. What's up?
Want some string cheese?
No. No.
Con Bel O'Malley, ratoncito le gusta danza cuando estudio en la...
Are you recording?
I am. Holy shit.
Oh.
God damn.
It's collected a little bit of dust.
Midwestern problems.
Shit. I'll grab one.
It is official. We are riding today. Oh yeah. Here's my baby right here. Ooh yeah. And here's Nick's baby. Oh yeah. Say hi, Nick.
Hi.
Nick. Alright guys, so I was extremely low on tire pressure. I'm supposed to be at 29 and I was at 15. Holy shit. Doesn't take a lot to fill these, huh?
Nope.
Okay. Hey, what kind of bike is that?
Honda Shadow.
Shadow? For some reason I wanted to say Nighthawk. Whoa!
That's 750 bald eagles.
Uh-oh. We better pull over. I don't know what he's honking at. I think he's just being funny. Rum out of the kitchen, or out of the cabinet, and goddamn, Jesus, mud everywhere, man. Ah, Jesus. It's a bug come and hit me. Hi, cows. See, and that's what I mean. I hate his turn signals. They're so small and I can't fucking see them. Like, I didn't know he was turning right there. Just had a feeling.